Now, users, people working inside of Keap, people going through Keap, getting anybody else kind of helping out through Keap. You need to be mindful of data collection, data, respecting data, and making sure that everybody's permissions are set up correctly. So let me quickly cover a little bit about what we mean by this. So inside of the users, you're going to see next to your name, your role, your permissions level within Keap. I'm pretty sure everybody here is going to be an admin. I think I got all the business owners in here. So everybody should see admin, which is your total, I can do everything possible within inside the system. Now, as you're bringing in, you start collaborating with more people and bringing employees, assistants, interns, whoever into your company, you're going to not want to have them as an admin as well, because the system's not going to know who's an admin, who isn't, right? If you make them an admin, they're going to see it's an admin. So what you're going to see on your side is you're going to see the staff level, the manager level, the limited admin level, and admin, okay? Admin's the top level. They can do anything and everything involving, telling Keap what's going on. Limited admin is they can do everything inside of Keap, the app, but they can't add more admins, right? So they can build, they can delete, they can export, they can remove, they can integrate. They just can't add more admins. Then below that is manager. Manager can view automations. Manager can send out broadcasts. Manager can see all contacts, can see all deals and opportunities, but managers cannot add admins. Managers cannot mess with invoicing. Managers cannot create new automation. It's more of just strictly contact management, right? And then staff level is the absolute bare minimum. What staff can only do is only see contacts that they are assigned. Contacts that they created, notes they created. It's a very locked view. This is good for, the front desk, right? We don't need the front desk messing with automations. We just need them answering the phone calls, right? This is also good for, virtual assistants. I just need them doing documentation. I don't need them exporting contacts from my database. There's no nuance besides what I just explained out for these. There's no adjustments. They either have to fit that box or they don't fit that box, right? Any questions on the user permissions? No, pretty straightforward, right? Yeah, they tried. Sure. Now that world is completely different in Keap Max Classic. If there is a business scene where you're like, Sergio, that ain't good. That's no bueno. I need to be able to adjust. I have users that some people are allowed to do some stuff, some people aren't allowed to, and I need to be a lot more nuanced. In the Keap Max Classic version, underneath the users here, there's actually the ability to edit those permissions at a much deeper level, actually going through the navigation of the application and being able to turn and flip on specific things. Okay.